Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with Miss Lisa Sudarsono. Dear students, welcome to the 7th sessions of the online tutorial. This week we can learn about making and responding to an appointment as well as giving an explanation in English. You can find this topic in Module 8 and Module 9. By the end of the week, you'll be able to identify the expressions used to make or respond to an appointment or explanation or a negotiation and draw a conclusion in a meeting. Please study the materials and enrichment links below. Afterwards, please participate in discussion forum 7 under the assignment 3. Good luck for you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.